Despite the growing concerns among young individuals about the challenges of securing employment, there are sectors, such as small and medium-sized enterprises and restaurants, facing difficulties in finding an available workforce. In response to this issue, the government has implemented an employment license system aimed at expanding the influx of foreign workers coming to work in Korea, reaching the highest number ever. The employment license system is designed to issue work visas, E9, to migrant workers, enabling small and medium-sized enterprises and struggling small businesses to recruit foreign workers. This system focuses on non-specialty work, encompassing routine tasks excluding those demanding high-level skills. Workers holding this visa are limited to employment in agriculture, fishing, construction, small and medium-sized manufacturing, and certain service industries. Introduced in 2004, the program initially saw 50,000 to 60,000 individuals annually working in Korea under E9 visas. However, under the Yoon Suk-yeol administration, the number of E9 visas has increased, reaching 120,000 in the current year. The government has announced plans to further elevate the number of migrant workers to 160,000 next year. Additionally, it has expanded the permissible fields for work, allowing employment in Korean restaurants, as kitchen assistants, coal mines, and nurseries. The government's push to augment the number of foreign workers through the employment license system stems from two primary reasons. Firstly, there exists a significant shortage of workers attributed to the declining birth rate and an aging population. This scarcity varies across professions, with particularly challenging conditions in occupations that are both demanding and offer meager pay and unfavorable treatment, such as those in the restaurant industry. Business owners have expressed support for the government's initiative, anticipating that it will simplify the process of finding individuals willing to work in these demanding roles. However, it has been pointed out that the government should not only focus on filling vacant jobs by increasing the number of migrant workers but also fix the poor working conditions in the jobs that are unwilling to be filled by Koreans. There is also a view that more migrant workers will lead to more labor-related problems. Many of the workplaces that fall under the employment license system are very small, with less than 5 employees, and are not subject to labor standards laws. If the number of migrant workers suddenly increases in such a poor working environment, it may become more difficult to manage issues such as delays in wages and human rights violations. It has also been pointed out that filling jobs with foreign workers without improving the working environment may lead to more and more inadequate jobs. While it is certainly a good thing that the employment license system can increase the number of foreign workers and provide cheap labor in areas where there are labor shortages, it can also have negative side effects. The government will have to improve its policies to minimize these side effects and help solve social problems.